Hey Warren, Eckstein here. Here's another Ask Warren question from Helen. Warren, my 4-year-old cat is an only princess, aren't they all? But I'm getting another kitten about the end of February. The new one will be about 16 weeks old, and I'm worried about whether I can show her where the litter box is. Right now it's in the basement. Is that too far for the little one? Well, it's kind of hard for me to answer this because I don't know the setup of your house. Is the basement a place where you guys spend a lot of time? Is it a basement where the existing cat, the one you call Princess, spends a lot of time? That all has to be taken into consideration. However, that being said, I'm concerned about the litter box, but I'm also concerned about the relationship between your cat and the new kitten that's coming into the household. The fact that you're telling me your 4-year-old cat is a princess indicates to me that she loves getting most of the attention. So again, here's a perfect example, and I've talked about this so many times because there's so many questions about that first pet psychology. If possible, I would get the scent of the new kitten that's going to be moving in February into your home now. I would get the scent of the cat in your home now in with the kitten if possible. If not. You can always do it when you bring the new kitten home. Sometimes that's good enough. However, in terms of the litter box, I don't know if the existing cat being the only one there, is going to automatically accept another kitten coming into the home using her litter box or his litter box. In some cases, it's great. In some cases, the bond will take place automatically. But I'm not so sure. Now, if you spend most of your time upstairs, living room, den, bedroom area, and that's where the cats are going to hang out, there's a good possibility that either the existing cat is not going to let the other cat go down and use the litter box in the cellar, or the younger cat's not going to say, hey, I got to go. Also, a lot has to do with what she's doing now, where she's living now. Is she using a litter box and what type of litter? In some cases, what I've done is I've taken litter boxes and I've added a second temporary litter box in the home in a more acceptable area, usually maybe towards the steps of the basement, getting her used to go there. May throw the other cat off a little bit, but it's only for temporary. And once she knows it's there, eventually bringing her down and having the two of them use the same litter box. However, you can anticipate there might be a couple of accidents. It could happen. You know, the new kitten coming in may not be thrilling your princess. A couple of things can happen. So follow my advice really careful. The scent swapping, letting them get to know each other a little bit at a time, feeding them out of maybe 2 bowls each so there's no territorial food problem, making sure that everyone who wants to come in and ooh and ah over the new kitten stops and oohs and ah more over princess. I would hit the pet store today and I would have a bag of treats and toys outside of your door. This way, when people come over, what they could do is come right inside and hand the existing cat a treat or a toy, and now she's associating them coming over, spending more time with her before they move on to the kitten. So again, it's a positive association with the kitten being there. Again, always end on a positive note. That's really important. Scent swapping. Some people use pheromones. I've heard good and bad, so you might want to try that as well. But as long as you let the existing cat know that the arrival of the new kitten, and that's going to be a great ride for you, the arrival of the new kitten is the best thing that ever happened since the invention of kitty litter. You should be absolutely fine. Good luck to you. Thanks for checking out the YouTube channel and Ask Warren, and keep listening to The Pet Show.